instead of reading large chunks of text, a lot of people do shadowing. It's better to really hone in on one particular sentence or one particular liaison pattern or one particular syllable, as opposed to a lot of words, a lot of sentences, and then repeating the same mistakes again and again. If you want to sound better, if you want to sound like an American, really take the time to systematically learn the alphabet, learn all the consonants, all the vowels. When I say learn all of them, I don't mean like actually spend the same amount of time on each syllable. Just pay attention to what specific phenomenon that you struggle with the most, be it a particular vowel or a particular liaison, like a pattern, linking pattern. And when it comes to pronunciation, obviously it's ideal to have real-time feedback, be it in the form of a native speaker talking to you and correcting your pronunciation mistake, and really just taking the time to repeat over and over again. But most people don't have that. And even if you have a native speaker, teacher, it's not like 24/7, right? So you need to make the most use of technology, and that is in the form of a recording device. So pretty much everyone these days has a recording app on their phone, and so for iPhones it's called voice memos, or if you somehow manage to download the ellawzhu or the Longman Dictionary computer version, there's a recording feature / pronunciation practice feature in it.
There's nothing more we can do here. Let's go home.
There's nothing more we can do here. Let's go home. There's nothing more we can do here. Let's go home.
She went over and put her arm around him.
She went over and put her arm around him. She went over and put her arm around him.
I'm going round to her house to find out what's wrong.
I'm going round to her house to find out what's wrong. I'm going round to her house to find out what's wrong. In that case, you won't even need a recording app or a recording device. But the principle is the same. You want to not only speak out loud, read something out loud, but also have that recorded. That way you can listen back to the recording and tweak your pronunciation accordingly. And you can also compare your recording to the native speaker's version. Particularly when it comes to pronunciation, it's all about working smart and not working hard. So instead of shadowing large chunks of text or TV scripts or just any audio material, you want to hone in on one specific phenomenon at a time, be it a syllable or a consonant or a vowel or a liaison pattern, and record yourself and listen to your recording and compare your recording to the native speaker's version and make adjustments accordingly. That way you're really getting down to the root of your problems instead of wasting a bunch of time repeating the same mistake over and over again anyway.